Hey guys, what's up? It's Easy Trades again, August 16th. Today's a Wednesday. Slow day. A lot of stocks didn't follow through per usual. The only decent play today was IDXG, and then if you swung this play, WPRT, which was an earnings winner, you could have sold at the open here. Um, if you held a little bit at the highs here for 240, 239 for 20-cent profit, right? IDXG, I was actually watching this on Monday before this big move because I noticed it was starting to perk up here at this notorious level, but this time it was coming up with strength. So I said, okay, I set an alert here for the break of the $1, and started watching. And I said, okay, if it's able to break this level convincingly, I may take a position to swing. Well, I began watching it, and then I got sidetracked, started doing other stuff, and then it did exactly which I thought it would, was gap fill to this 140-ish area. Um, another missed opportunity, but the good thing is about trading is that there's always opportunity there. Even if you do miss, another one will present itself sometime in the near future. So that's why I'm not too worried about it. And then that leads me into my next play, which was CHU. I actually played this on my real account because, for one, this was a big earnings winner here. Profit growth up 69%, and then Tencent, Alibaba, and other tech giants in China are establishing an $11 billion stake in this China Unicom Limited. So with that, when you have Alibaba investing in your corporation, a big tech giant like that's substantial. So I was watching it here. It gapped up a little bit pre-market from 1520, hit a high of 1639, then started downtrending a bit. There wasn't much action, and I was watching it, and I said, okay, if it breaks this $16, whole dollar, half dollar resistance, then I'll take a position. Well, it was just kind of scrambling here a little bit, and then this candle just popped up and missed my fill. So I just did a market order. I got filled in at 1620, and I just kind of was patient. I knew this was going to be a slow grinder, but I felt this had a potential to just go maybe $1, $2 a share with very limited downside. It did top out here around 1640, and then began downtrending. So I was only risking about to the 1605-ish area, very tight because I did get a late entry. So I had to manage my risk a bit better with the potential upside of $1, $2 a share. I mean, this is just outstanding news, and I do still think this stock does have potential. Uh, I will definitely swing trade this later on in the day, because this news is just phenomenal. You can't not see this and not want to play it. So that's why I took a position on my real account. I only had a $6 loss. I took a small position. I only took 30 shares. I'm only trading with about $1,000. I'm trying to build that up, so I'm not trying to put all of my money into it. You never want to do that. But that small position, if this stock can run $1 or $2 a share, I could be up $60, $70 in no time. So small investment, big reward, and that's what we look for. I did actually try to play it on my paper account here. I tried to dip buy it. Sorry, excuse me. I tried to dip buy it here and it got filled at 1575. I bought it on this third green candle, looking for just, you know, a small retracement back up. Um, Risking this low here, this trend line, which has actually been continuing. We see here, it's been kind of in this upward channel. So risking that, it did break through. I did stop out for sorry, for a 10-cent loss. You know, just trying new things. Um, I took 300 shares. Obviously, it's not proportion to my actual account size. It's more or less the principle that matters. You know, dip buying these stocks that have just great catalysts with the potential to trace back upwards and more. So when I'm wrong and when you're wrong, you cut your losses quickly. You know, small losses, big gains, and that's what we're looking for. I also played this um, TD Ameritrade. Thinkorswim screwed me hard on this. I got in at the break of this 80 area, which was an important level of resistance here. I mean, if you can, sorry, as you can see, there's a lot of bottoming here. So former support turns into new resistance. So I knew if it could break this 80-ish level, it could hit top here, where we had our upper shadows, and that's exactly where it hit, which was that 86 area. Unfortunately, I took 500 shares around 81, looking for that 86, and that's exactly what I got. Well, for whatever reason, I kept getting this message, and it wouldn't sell, and I've never gotten that message. So for whatever reason, you know, it was giving me that message. 500 shares, I couldn't lock out my profit. Ended up selling for practically break even. But like I said, had it been my real account or something with better execution, I would have gotten $30, $40 profit. Just very brief, very simple, you know, support and resistance trading. And like I said, you know, I didn't get executed. As you can see, I only got a 58-cent profit. But I knew, I called exactly when it was going to break. It broke this 80-cent level, and it hit exactly the former highs where it would double, triple, quadruple top at. You saw those long upper shadows there, which was at that 86-cent area right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, 5 upper shadows there. So that's a very significant area of resistance, and that's exactly where I wanted to sell, but you know, it wouldn't sell. So it's okay. Learning experience, on the right track, definitely on the right track. And we're just getting better. So hopefully you guys can learn something from this. And it's your boy Easy Trades, and we're checking out for the day. Like I said, CHU, potential swing play into the close if it begins to close strong. Sorry, looking for a potential upside of $1 to $2. You know, so there's not much overhead resistance. So the sky's the limit really with this stock. But I'll see you guys later, and follow me on Twitter, Easy Trades, and then you can stay up to date with what I'm tweeting. Alright guys, be safe, be smart. See you later.